Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set a nickname in Instagram chat. Alright, let's begin. First of all, go ahead and open your Instagram application. If you don't have it, download from your Play Store or an App Store. Now, once you are in here, make sure you are logged in. After that, go to your chat by tapping on message icon at the top. Now select the conversation you want to set your nickname in. Tap on the username icon, and if you tap on the options icon or any other settings, you will see there is no such option as setting a nickname. This is because, unlike Messenger feature, Instagram has not introduced a set and nickname feature. Now, if you really want this feature, you can go ahead and appeal to the Instagram team to report such appeal. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom and tap on the hamburger icon. Then scroll down here. We'll be searching for the help option. Then tap on it. Then tap on report a problem. Then tap on report a problem without shaking. Then select include and continue. In this box, you have to write a statement. I would like to set a nickname on my Instagram conversation. Please help me with the procedure. You can also upload a screenshot of a conversation using the upload and screenshot options given to you. After that, just tap on send and wait for the reply from the Instagram team after 2 to 3 business days. So that's all for this video. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe the channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks.